Welcome to the Wilderness Center, located in southwestern Stark County in northeastern Ohio. What we're going to see here in this three-dimensional scene created in ArcGIS Pro is an area that has a lake and has the headquarters and visitor center for this nature center and land conservation area. We can rotate this a little bit if we want. We can zoom in. And we can go look at another area that is of particular interest to me right now, which is an area called Foxfield Preserve. This area begins on Foxfield Avenue right here and extends through this L-shaped property here. This is part of the Wilderness Center's property, and it has been designated as a green burial site. By that, it means it is an area that is in land conservation, and green burial can be done there, but there are also, as we can see, pathways, some parking areas, trees, some grassy areas, forested areas. And this area is allowed to regrow naturally, and there are also being reforestation practices in this section right here. So this part of Ohio is fairly flat. The total relief here is only about 100 feet across the whole area. The lowest point would be right here where a creek leaves, and the highest point is up here on the ridge just by Foxfield Preserve. We can get maybe a slightly better look at that by tilting this and zoom in a little bit. And we can see the relief shows up a little bit there. We get a sense of this hill climb right here, going up to Foxfield Preserve and then across there, and then it goes down across the ridge. So the ridge is right here. Hope that this has helped you get a better understanding of the land holdings around the headquarters and Foxfield Preserve at the Wilderness Center.